Jenny Keller. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite layered Mexican dip. So this is perfect for any party, but most of all Super Bowl, which is coming up. And I have all my ingredients ready to go. So the first thing you're going to add is your refried beans. And I'm making my layered dip in these cute little cast iron pans. You can make this in a casserole dish or whatever your favorite dish or pan is. And then next we're gonna add our ground beef, but I actually like to use ground turkey. So whichever one you like best, you can use. And you're just gonna sprinkle a little bit on the top of the refried beans. Set that aside. And then your guacamole. And if you don't love onions or tomatoes, you can just use avocado mashed up. But I like it with all the things, so we're gonna add a little of all of this in here. And then the next ingredient, you might cringe over just a tiny bit, but it's really good when it's all put together. It's half sour cream and half mayonnaise, and then you're gonna add taco seasoning in it. So it's about a packet of taco seasoning. I buy the big bottle from Costco, so I just kind of dump it in and live on the edge a little. But you're gonna mix this up. And I'll have the full recipe on my blog, so be sure to check out jennycookies.com, subscribe to my site, and I'll send you all kinds of fun recipes and party ideas and things like that. But you're gonna incorporate the sour cream and the mayo with that taco seasoning until it's nice and mixed up. And then you're just gonna add a little kind of spatula full to each pan here. And then we're almost done. You're gonna add cheese to the top. I like to use a little kind of a Mexican blend of different cheeses. And it's already shredded up for you. The more the better. And then we're gonna add some tomato. And if you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add this part. I know my kids don't like tomatoes. So if I make it in a casserole dish, I'll just do like half the pan with tomatoes and half without. And then the very last ingredient is your olives. My kids also don't like these, so the other half of the pan is kind of plain. And then once you have everything done, you're gonna pop these in your oven at 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Everything's already cooked and ready to go. So it's just really until everything looks melted. And then once it's all done, you're gonna wanna make sure you have chips ready to go. And I have these for Super Bowl here together. So I'll serve in this little pan with a little basket of chips, or if you were gonna serve it at a party with a casserole dish, just a huge basket of chips next to your pan of dip. And I promise you, everybody's gonna love this recipe. Thanks for watching.